welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to use this ingredients you're seeing here with some other ingredients to whiten your teeth in 3 minutes. Like, this is so effective. So I'm going to show you how to use this ingredient and some other ingredient to whiten your teeth. Alright, so I've already washed my ginger and I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grate this ginger with my grater. Okay, this will be okay. So I'll transfer it into another bowl. Alright. The second ingredient is lemon juice. I'm adding my lemon juice. I'm not measuring it. Okay, next ingredient I'll add is salt. I'm going to add 1/4 tablespoon of salt, and then the last is toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste of your choice. I'm using Colgate Herbal toothpaste for this, but you can use any toothpaste of your choice, anyone you can find. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and mix the ingredients together to combine very well. Make sure you mix them very well. Alright, so this is it. Then after that, you take your toothbrush. Alright, so you're going to use it like this to rub on your teeth. Use it and rub on your teeth for about 2 to 3 minutes and rinse it off, and you'll see changes in your teeth. I've seen a lot of YouTubers trying this out, and I've tried it out on my own, and it's really effective. So you can try it out using this method to whiten your teeth. If you are the type that have brown teeth, you can use this method to lighten up your teeth. Alright, thanks for watching.